Level up your hiring game with a strategic recruitment funnel that transforms your company's talent acquisition. Let's break down the 5 crucial stages of building a successful recruitment funnel. Starting with Attract, this is your top of funnel where you reel in the best candidates. You must first choose the job boards and career sites, and then create compelling job descriptions. Make sure to highlight your company culture and create a simple application process. Next is Engage. Now that you have candidates, you need to keep them intrigued. Share your company info, like employee stories and video tour on social media. Be responsive to applications and keep candidates updated on the progress of their applications. The more engagement, the closer your candidates get to the next stages. Following engagement comes Evaluate. This involves screening resumes, conducting interviews both initial and final and assessing candidate skills through practical exercises and personality tests to help guide your choices. Make sure you have a clear review and assessment process. This step is crucial for a high-quality hire. The offer stage is where you extend offers to your chosen candidates. Ensure thorough salary negotiations and benefits discussions. Be transparent and make a final offer that is both clear and appealing to them. This is where you convert potential employees into new hires. Finally, there's Onboarding. Guide new hires through orientation, training, and team introductions, integrating them into your company culture smoothly. This step includes gathering feedback from new hires about their processes and tracking key metrics such as time to hire, cost per hire, and candidate satisfaction. Regularly analyze these metrics to improve your funnel and hiring process, setting your company up for sustained recruiting success.